Okay, so right now I will teach you how to use our AI SEO editor to edit and review an article with AI. So to do this, the first thing we need to do is come here to the all articles to check our past articles, and we will select the one that we want to edit. Okay, so imagine you didn't like something about this article that was generated and we want to edit it with AI. And to do this, we click here on edit with AI, right? And what you'll see now, it's pretty much a text editor, okay? It's kind of like a Google Docs, right? But it has some features that I will show you. And to start, you can, for example, add bolds, okay? You can add an image, and this image can be, if you click on the image, right, you can upload it from your computer, you can generate it using AI, you can browse organic images, you can also use the images that you've uploaded, okay, and you also have the option to browse stock photos. So you have a lot of options here for the images. You can also embed a link by pasting it here, right? So you can add images and replace them with a lot of image providers, right? In this case, let me just delete. If you want to delete an image, you just click on it and you click here on this trash, right? Of course, you can also add text manually if you want, and you can insert a link to anything you want. So yeah, you can manually edit the article however you want. But the cool feature here is the AI SEO Editor. And this lets you edit things just by highlighting text, okay? So let's say, for example, that this paragraph right here is too short and we want to make it longer, right? We just select it, we click here on rewrite, and we'll see all these options to simplify, to rewrite, to make longer, to make shorter, to turn it into a list, to make a table, or even use your custom prompt. Let's say you want to add something about weightlifting. Let's say, for example, you will now think about what to insert, and you will give you this suggestion that you can either discard and it won't be inserted, or you can accept, and now it will include here the weightlifting helps maintain a healthy weight. So this is just an example of what you can do with the AI editor, all right? You can also, for example, add keywords. So let's say you have a specific keyword you want to insert in this paragraph. You can also do it. I mean, let's say I want to add the word Cristiano Ronaldo. You will now think of an appropriate place to insert that keyword, and it will insert it for us. As you can see, here is the word, okay? You can also do the same thing for links. If you don't want to be thinking about, oh, what link should I insert here, you can just select the text. Let me just find another paragraph. You can select the text and add an external link, okay, or an internal link if you have it connected. As you can see, we have something here about eating more plants. We will insert the link, and as you can see, it will be here visible, okay? So this is just a few examples of what the AI SEO editor can do. You can pretty much revise and edit everything about your article. You can create a new paragraph. Let's say you want another H2, and you can use it and create it, okay? And also please note that this saves automatically, so you won't have to worry about saving the changes. They will be applied, and you will have both versions, the original version and the edited version, and they will be identified so you know which one it is. And yeah, if you want to also publish this revised article, you'll have the option here, send to integration, and you can send it to your website. So yeah, that's how you use the AI SEO editor.